Hello everyone, myself SB Kannoje, Assistant Professor Botany, Government Gundadhur PG College, Kondagaon. Today my topic is plant use as avenue tree for shade, pollution control and aesthetics. तो आज हम एवेन्यू ट्री के बारे में चर्चा करेंगे। एवेन्यू ट्री से तात्पर्य है मार्ग में लगाए जाने वाले या रोड साइड लगाए जाने वाले ट्रीज़ को एवेन्यू ट्री कहा जाता है। यह एवेन्यू ट्री छाया प्रदान करने वाले, पॉल्यूशन को कंट्रोल करने वाले या मार्ग की सौंदर्य बढ़ाने वाले हो सकते हैं। किस प्रकार के एवेन्यू ट्री हो सकते हैं और कौन कौन से प्लांट्स को हम एवेन्यू ट्री के रूप में लगाते हैं, इसके बारे में हम डिटेल चर्चा करेंगे। तो देखते हैं एवेन्यू ट्री क्या है। द एवेन्यू ट्री आर टॉल, फास्ट ग्रोइंग एंड मैजेस्टिक ट्री विथ थिक foliage grow along roadside. The tree provide shade, pollution control, aesthetic for walker and traveler, but also shelter for stray animal from scorching heat, wind, rain, etc. It is an old concept from Vedic period. तो इस तरह से जो एवेन्यू ट्री होते हैं वह लंबे, जल्दी ग्रोविंग करने वाले, थिक स्ट्रक्चर वाले एंड फोलियज लीव वाले रोड साइड लगने वाले पादप होते हैं जो हमें छाया प्रदान करते हैं, पॉल्यूशन कंट्रोल करती है और विभिन्न प्रकार के एस्थेटिक्स, सुगंध प्रदान करते हैं। ये जो एवेन्यू ट्री है उसका कॉन्सेप्ट वैदिक काल से चला आ रहा है। एवेन्यू ट्री फॉर शेड, तो ऐसे एवेन्यू ट्रीज़ जो छाया प्रदान करते हैं उसके कुछ कंडीशन होते हैं कि कौन कौन या किस प्रकार के एवेन्यू ट्री हो सकते हैं। द ट्री शुड बी ब्रांचलेस अप टू 3 to 4 मीटर अबाउ द सॉइल सरफेस सो दैट व्हीकल कैन पास इजीली, particularly on narrow road, on national highway or on very wide road. 2 to 3 deep row of large tree placed 5 to 6 meter apart should be planted. These trees should have good dense crown so they can provide adequate shade and protection from rain, sun and hail. Second, dwarf tree are medium sized to large shrubs, preferably over blooming in nature, should be selected for avenue and road median. The tree should not have spreading crown that might obstruct the growth of tree in the opposite row. Tree on the two sides of the road should not be opposite each other. They should be planted alternately. तो जो भी प्लांट होते हैं एवेन्यू ट्री उनको अपोजिट नहीं लगाया जाता, उसको अल्टरनेटली रूप से उसको यहाँ पर ग्रो कराया जाता है। थर्ड, फ्यूल वुड स्पीसीज एंड फूडर. स्पीसीज शुड नॉट बी चूजन फॉर द रोड साइड because they are likely to be lopped, pruned and chopped by the neighboring inhabitants, thus destroying the landscape and giving the avenue a shabby appearance. The root system of the tree should be neither very spreading nor very shallow. Tree with very robust and spreading root system damage the masonry work of road, footpath and adjacent building. On the other hand, tree with shallow root system like Milictonia hortensis topple over in storm and obstruct traffic. Thus, tree with deep root system should be selected. तो देखा जाता है कि एवेन्यू ट्री के रूप में हम चौड़ा या फैलने वाले रूट को चयन न करके जो गहराई तक जाते हैं उन प्रकार के ट्री रूट वाले ट्री का चयन किया जाता है, जिससे किसी प्रकार के जो रोड में लगे हुए बिल्डिंग्स या अदर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग को नुकसान नहीं पहुँचे। 6. During summer and rainstorm, protection from sun and rain are most needed. So, trees that shed their leaf during this period should not be planted. Moreover, fallen leaf in the rainy season make the roads slippery and block the drainage system. Various species of Acacia gingivus etc., which are prickly or thorny, should not be planted because the fallen prickle or thorn cause trouble for pedestrians, animals and pupil and may also damage the tires of cycles. तो देखा जाता है कि एवेन्यू ट्री के रूप में कांटे वाले पौधों को नहीं लगाया जाता है। 7. The tree should have the ability to withstand winter lopping when little shade is required. This lopping can be utilized as fuel wood. Too many species should not be mixed with short distance, particularly on road away from cities and town. Some plant provide shade. कुछ एग्जाम्पल। फर्स्ट, एल्बिजिया लिबेक। इट इज़ handsome, fast-growing and spreading tree that reach up to a height of 20 to 25 meter. The tree is somewhat resistant to drought. It is a good alternative plant for a traditional tree with similar appearance called rain tree. The second, Anthocephalus kadamba, kadam. The tree is associated with Lord Krishna, a large 10-meter tall tree with spreading crown and drooping branch. They ball-like flower are sweet-scented. This rapidly growing tree is planted in large grove or on the roadside. It is highly susceptible to frost. Third, Agitirecta indica, neem. It is a large evergreen tree, 13 to 16 meter, with elegant appearance. It is hardy and grow well in saline soil and dry condition. This modern Indian medicinal and air purifying plant is recommended as an avenue tree for highway. Fourth, Cagelia pinnata. The medium to large size 7 to 16 meter evergreen, the fast spreading tree has a globular appearance and a dense branching system. The flower look unusual and fruit are big, heavy and shuggish shape. This is a good foliage tree for park and avenue planting. Read about unusual looking plant. 5. Pongamia pinnata, a medium tall 10 to 15 meter tree with bright green glossy leaf. The tree, when laden with lilac color flower, look beautiful in summer. This is a fast growing tree suitable for roadside avenue and public place for shade and ornamental purpose. 6. Casuarina accustifolia. The tree attains a considerable height 20 meter or more and is not planted in a small garden. This tree is usually planted as wind barrier tree on beaches and seashores. The soft shining of the air through its many slender twigs is a pleasant sound, reminiscent of the noise of the sea on distant shore. Benthal. Click here to buy Casuarina seed online in India. 7. Mimosas elengi. It is medium size 15 meter tall evergreen tree with a dense crown of dark green shining foliage. The white very fragrant drooping flower are borne in cluster twice a year and remain hidden in the leaf. A favorite tree of Indian garden suitable for planting in a large lawn or along the narrow road. At Putranjiva Rogzabargai, child life tree. A moderate size evergreen tree 10 meter tall with uniform spreading habit. The dense foliage is beautiful, dark green and give the plant a shade look. It is a superb avenue tree and can be planted in public place as a shade tree too. Ninth, Terminalia arjuna Arjun, a large 20 to 25 meter tall evergreen shade tree, commonly planted on the roadside. In Indian mythology, Arjun is supposed to be Sita's favorite tree. Native to India, the tree attracts lots of attention because of its association with religion and its many medicinal uses. Next, 10. Tamarindus indica. Tamarindus tree, it is the best tree for roadside because it will provide good amount of shade. If you plant it on both the side of a road, you will get complete shade. And the most important thing is it is very helpful to the society. Poor people and local village people can make use of tamarindus. नेक्स्ट, एवेन्यू ट्री फॉर पॉल्यूशन. कुछ एवेन्यू ट्री जो पॉल्यूशन कंट्रोल करती है. ट्री आर एन इम्पोर्टेंट कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव सॉल्यूशन टू रिड्यूसिंग पॉल्यूशन एंड इम्प्रूविंग air quality. A study across the Chicago region determined that tree removed approximately 17 tons of carbon monoxide, 93 tons of sulfur dioxide, 98 tons of nitrogen dioxide and 210 tons of ozone in 1991. How do trees help control pollution? Trees help the lower air temperature and the urban heat island effect. Trees also reduce pollution by actively removing it from the atmosphere. Leaf stomata, the pores on the leaf surface, take in polluting gases which are then absorbed by water inside the leaf. Can tree remove pollution from the atmosphere? Describe air temperature can also reduce ozone formation. Removal of air pollution. Tree remove gases air pollution primarily by uptake via leaf stomata, though some gases are removed by the plant surface. Tree also remove pollution by intercepting airborne particles. Do trees absorb air pollution? Trees clean the air. Trees absorb odor and pollutant gases, nitrogen oxides, ammonium, sulfur dioxides and ozone, and filter particulates out of the air by trapping them on their leaves and bark. Some examples: Ulmus minor, tree that reduce air pollution. Fraxinus axellifera, absorb carbon dioxide, common S. Tilia cordata, absorb carbon dioxide. Acer plantainoides, absorb carbon dioxide in 30 years. Quercus ceres, the majestic. Aesthetic tree. What are aesthetic plant? Commonly ornamental plant are grow for the display of aesthetic feature including flower, leaf, scent, overall foliage, texture, fruit, stamen, bark and aesthetic form. तो इस तरह से सौंदर्यीकरण प्रदान करने वाले जो ट्रीज होते हैं जो एवेन्यू ट्री के रूप में लगाए जाते हैं, जिसको एस्थेटिक एवेन्यू ट्री कहते हैं। Here is the list of most famous flowering tree in India, along with new, more common flowering tree that also include Legistromia, Bahunia, Purpurea, Caesalpinia sappan, Kesia javanica, and Mimopsos elengi. Pride of India. First, Legistromia speciosa. Legistromia speciosa tree is known as pride of India and bloom only once in a year during the peak of summer. Legistromia speciosa along with Cochlospermum religiosum are sacred in Buddhism. Second, Butea monosperma. Butea monosperma is known as the flame of the forest and a dry season deciduous tree associated with spring. Palas tree is the part of many poems and songs in India and also the state flower of Jharkhand. Next, Millingtonia hortensis. Millingtonia hortensis is known as Latak Chandni is India and an evergreen tree with white flower. The ornamental tree is famous for its fragrance white flower. Next, Bombax ceiba. Silk cotton tree are commonly known as cotton tree is a beautiful red flower tree that contain white fiber cotton. This tree is commonly known as semal in Hindi and planted in park and on roadside in India. Next, Cassia fistula. Garden sower tree, also known as the golden rain tree, is native to the Indian subcontinent. The golden sour tree, also used in herbal medicine and very popular ornamental flowering plant in India. Next, Erythrea variegata. Erythrea variegata or Indian coral tree is native to the Indian subcontinent, Africa and Australia. The ornamental tree grows wild across India and its bark and leaves are used for medicine. Next, Dolonox regia. Dolonox regia tree is known as Gulmohar in India and one of several trees known as flame tree. The flamboyant grown as an ornamental tree and also a useful shade tree in India like Neo Lamarkia Kadamba. Albizia lipec, also use of Albizia lipec, often simply called Siris tree in India, used for medicine and wood. Ayurvedic use. Siris tree in Indian include naturalized toxin in the body and to treat boils. Saraka Asoka. Saraka Asoka, known as Asok tree in Indian, known for its beautiful foliage and fragrant flowers. The Asoka rainforest tree is an important tree of Indian subcontinent for the cultural traditional. Rana Vara auriculata. Sena auriculata is commonly known as Rana Vara in South India and it is a state flower of Telangana state. This yellow flower tree is occur in the dry region of India. Cochlospermum religiosum. Cochlospermum religiosum is called a buttercup tree in India, native a tropical region of Southeast Asia and the Indian subcontinent. The yellow flowering tree usually found in dry deciduous forest and also known as silk cotton tree. Jacaranda mimosifolia. Blue jacaranda is an ornamental plant with impressive purple flower. Blue jacaranda is known as Neeli Gulmohar in India and excellent ornamental flowering tree for park and gardens and roadside. Next, Tabebuia aurea. Tabebuia aurea is a species of Tabebuia, also known as the silver trumpet tree. The beautiful blooming tree with yellow flower is one of the most striking flowering tree in India. Ticomela undulata. Ticometa undulata is locally known as Rohida in India. Found in the desert region of the desert of Rajasthan, Rohida tree is the main source of timber in Rajasthan and play an important role for desert wildlife. Spathodia campanulata. Spathodia campanulata, known as Nandi flame in India but native to Africa, where is known as African tulip tree. The red flowering ornamental tree is an toxic tree in India and very attractive to bird and gardens and park. Peltophorum petrocarpum. Yellow plum tree is known of the most common ornamental tree grown around India. Petrophorum petrocarpum grown an ornamental tree particularly in India and give striking yellow and red effect in summer. Neolamarkia kadamba. Kadamba tree flower are used in perfume and the tree is grown as an ornamental plant in India. The evergreen kadamba tree is a big shade tree associated with Lord Krishna. Kachnar, Bahunia variegata. Bahunia variegata, known as Kachnar tree in India and a very popular ornamental tree. Kachnar is widely used as an ingredient in Indian recipe and attract bird into garden and park. Milesia pinnata. Milesia pinnata or Indian beech in a large canopy tree having white, purple and pink small flower. The seed of Milesia pinnata are useful for diesel generators and biodiesels. Tibebia rosea. Tibebia rosea or pink turpin tree is a flowering tree often planted in park and garden of India. It's one of the fast growing tree with rosy color of flower. Next, Indian tulip tree Thespacia papulina. India tulip tree mostly found on coast around India and the wood used in making instrument and furniture. Mimosops elengi. Mimosops elengi tree, also known as Maulseri and Bakul tree, used a local traditional medicines and the flower are made into garden. Devil tree Alstonia scolaris. Alstonia scolaris tree flower are known for their strong and powerful smell. The evergreen tree are considered as a good timber tree and the flower fragrant are very similar to Ratrani. Red bottle brush. Red bottle brush is Callistemon lanceolatus, endemic of Australia but now cultivated in many other regions of India and mostly known of brush like flower. तो इस तरह से एवेन्यू ट्री इज कंप्लीट. थैंक यू.